everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be continuing on with my 30-day challenge. I'm getting close to being done with it, and this is day 27, the idol with the best smile. And of course, there are tons of idols with amazing smiles, but the smile and laugh that I seem to find the most contagious is Seokjin from BTS. Every time he laughs at something, like, I can't help but laugh too. Like, his smile and his laughter is just so genuine and so contagious. And so I had to do this spread for him. I didn't even have to think about it. As soon as I saw what this day was, I was like, Jin, definitely. So once again, I did just sort of an aesthetic spread. I picked out some photos and went with a specific color scheme. I used scrapbook paper to create little pieces to add, and of course I had to use washi tape. So this is a pretty simple spread once again. It's just for my 30-day challenge. I think that Jin has the best smile and the most contagious laugh, so I had to dedicate this spread to him. It's another quick little spread. Like I said, next month I'm going to try to add more substance to these really quick spreads, but for now it's just a quick little video, so I hope that you enjoy it. And here's the final spread. If you also think that Seokjin has the best smile ever, give this video a thumbs up. If you like this spread and you enjoyed the video, please make sure to like and subscribe. I appreciate all of the support. It makes me want to keep making videos. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time.